Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris, and today I wanted to give y'all just a quick little video on my favorite hair masks, obviously on a budget, but that have helped my hair, my curls kind of snap back to reality. Because let me tell you something, about 4 months ago my hair was like, girl, just stop, okay? My curls were not doing anything, and so I had to say, okay, reel it back in, cut the tape, let's start over. My hair was literally in the worst shape I had seen it in a very, very long time. So I just wanted to stop, and I was like, you know what, my sister was commenting on my hair recently, and she was just saying, you know, your hair is looking a lot better, what have you been doing? And so I was like, you know what, this is what I've been doing, but let me just go ahead and give the girls, like, get the girls in on a little secret that I've been doing. So yeah, if that's something that you're interested in, please make sure you keep watching. And before we, head on over, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, to the other videos that you have watched. If you're a regular, it would really help me. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. So let me start off at the very beginning. Let's just start with the first one that I really like. And obviously my hair today is actually I'm not a fan of it, because this is like first day hair. Like, I just washed my hair yesterday, so it's really not giving what it should be. It should be bigger, it should be giving a lot more, but she'll get there. I've got to be patient with her, okay? So yes, let me jump into the first one. So the first one that I love is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So it's this mask. Obviously, I'll link it up here. And it has Manuka honey, Mafura oil, and fig extract, and baobab oil, I think. Yes. So this is the consistency of it. There's a little bit left in there. Like, y'all can see that I actually am using this actively. First of all, it smells amazing. But this one, for me, actually helps me retain moisture in my hair. So my hair, I want to go back to maybe like February, and I don't know if I have any pictures, but I'm going to, if I have them, y'all see them, because I'll link them in. But my hair was brittle, it was breaky, it was just gross, y'all. Like, my hair just looked like it looked like I was like malnourished, and I was just not taking care of myself. That's what it looked like. And if you guys saw another video that I had where I was talking about the health of like my body and my hair and my weight and my skin, like everything was just not looking good because of my gut issues. So I did a video on the vitamins that I've been using and how I had went to the doctor. So I'll link it up here, actually up here. And you'll be able to see the vitamins that have helped me and the medications that have helped my gut. But y'all, when my gut was off track, my hair was suffering like the worst, the absolute worst. Like, my hair was literally breaking off and coming out in clumps. So this one, first and foremost, helps me to keep the moisture in my hair to help retain the little bit of length and curl that I had. That's what this one did. And I did this every single week, y'all. I did not skip a beat, every single week. So I didn't want to do it too many times because I didn't want to overdo it. Yeah, so yeah, that is what I use this particular mask for. So this one just really helps whip your hair back into shape. Now, puts like a powerful amount of moisture into your hair. Like, it's like a surge of water and moisture that's actually staying in your hair even after you have washed it out. So that's this one. And I will link, I normally get it from Target, but you can get it from Amazon, Walmart, I think, wherever that you can buy natural hair products. So the next one that I like to use is the TGIN, Thank God It's Natural Honey Miracle Hair Mask. It has raw honey, olive oil in it, and it's just for dry hair. So that one, it does help me put the moisture in my hair, but this one is actually penetrating, I feel like, my actual follicles when my hair is just, it was so dry that the freaking wind would blow and my hair was like breaking off. It was disgusting. So that's what I use this one for. And I think that what's helping your hair the most in this mask is the honey, because I think the honey is helping, it's wrapping around your hair follicle and it's protecting it. So that's really something else that you really need. You have to protect your actual strands of hair. Like, that is the name of the game. So this one is really, really good for that one. So I would sort of alternate, but I'm definitely using them every single week. Wednesdays is the days where I have light days at work, so I can actually go in and like put my little deep conditioning mat, you know, cap on, and, you know, like really just zone out. I'm at my computer and just letting my hair do what it needs to do. So the next one that I really like is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. These are all like names that we see all the time, but this one has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So this one for me, I like this one because of the apple cider vinegar and the peppermint for my scalp. So like I'm actually putting this one like down the middle in my hair and just kind of like working it on my scalp through my hair, because I also have, so when my gut was acting up, my scalp, you could see it coming in my scalp. So my dermatitis was acting up really, really bad. So I did a video maybe back in like October, November, where I was like, I have been trying different shampoos and everything on my hair to try to figure out why I am having such bad like outbreaks of dermatitis on my scalp, and it was so disgusting. But I didn't realize at the time that it was actually my gut. So this has the black castor oil. That's really good for your scalp. The apple cider vinegar and the peppermint is actually really, really helping to not only moisturize and strengthen your hair, but also your scalp. So doing your hair is one thing, but protecting your scalp and nurturing your scalp is a whole nother ball game. So that is what I am using this one for. So on weeks where I feel like my scalp is unusually dry, unusually itchy, I'm using this deep conditioner. The next one that I'm using is the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. So this one, I love this mask. It's like a hair reconstructor. So this one does help your hair. When I use this one, it's like my hair is just like, okay girl, it's time to get in shape, okay? Because she's not playing games. But this one is so expensive. It's like $25 for this size bottle, which is a little bit to me smaller than this size bottle. So, but I actually got this on sale at TJ Maxx for $12. So I was like, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And yeah, it's for dry damaged hair, and it's a hair reconstructor. So that means that it has protein in it. So you don't want to use this one every week, maybe every other week if you have severely damaged hair, but I typically use it maybe like every 3 weeks. So that's what that one is for. So it's actually going to help repair your actual strands. That's the name of the game with that one. So these ones are like, these are like oldies but goodies for me, and people can say what they want. I am here for whatever type of debate y'all gonna have, but I like using the Dr. Miracle's Cleanse and Condition Super Strength Deep Conditioner. So it has olive, jojoba, and vitamins A and E to help breakage in a dry scalp. So this one is also really good for, like the Shea Moisture, for like my hair and my scalp. So on the weeks where my scalp is just like super dry and I need to give it like a push, I am using these packs. And I think you can get these just from your local beauty supply store. They're like $1.99, maybe $2.99, but they're not that expensive. And let me tell y'all, I use 2 packs at a time, and my scalp, it's just like, it has that tingling feeling. It helps combat the dandruff, the flakiness with the dermatitis, and it just feels good. And so what I tend to do is just leave it on my hair with like a cap for maybe about an hour and then wash it out. So that one really, really helps. My scalp feels so good for the week after I have used that deep conditioner. Like, it's my absolute fave. Like, I love it. And it really does help. My scalp I have felt like my scalp is not as itchy, it's not as dry looking. And I know it's because of the regimen that I have created, that I've been sticking to for the past like 3 months with those deep conditioners. So those are my 5 favorite deep conditioners that I like to use on my hair to whip it back in shape real fast. But also the products that I'm washing my hair with, these have helped as well. So I have been using the Curlsmith Scalp Recipe. So this one, it has a primer, a shampoo, and a conditioner. This is the primer. I didn't bring the whole thing, but you see how here it has steps 1, 2, and 3. This is obviously step 1. So this is the primer that you would like wash your hair with. Like, you're not even washing it because you're putting it on your hair and you're leaving it in until you shampoo it. And it's like a pre-wash treatment, and it's for your scalp. So it has It balances your microbiome, stimulates and protects, and then you can detangle. And it says that prebiotics are nutritive compounds that impact the activity of microorganisms and can help increase the number of good bacteria. So just like your skin, there's a certain amount of good bacteria that your scalp needs as well. And this actually has fermented rice water in it as part of the treatment, which we all know this has been all the craze the last couple of years, is using rice water to grow your hair. Well, I'm just using it to keep my scalp looking good and not dry. But yeah, this is actually one of my favorite shampoos, and they actually have this little mantra on the back that says healthy, beautiful looking hair starts with a healthy scalp. Our primer is an essential step to prep for clarifying, to stimulate, and to protect the scalp's moisture barrier. And I think that that is actually one of the other things that is really helping my hair and scalp stay so healthy these last couple of months. So, and the next set that I use is, and this is just really just if I'm having a good week and I just don't need to use that one, I'm using the Mielle Sea Moss Anti-Shedding, and it's infused with saw palmetto, and it's a whole line. I will link it somewhere here, but this is what it looks like, and you can go on the Mielle website, and yeah, it helps prevent your hair from shedding, which is what I was trying to also do, because I told you my hair was coming out a lot, like a whole lot. So yeah, these are the products that I've been using with my hair, and she has been flourishing. I don't know if you can see, but she is getting a little bit better. I'm gonna try to find some pictures just to like link in here, or maybe add on to the end of the video of what my hair was looking like. But y'all, it was not pretty, so it really ain't even nothing to even see, but it was not pretty. But these are the ones that I'm using right now. These are also for people like me who are on a budget, who don't want to spend a gazillion dollars on hair products but still want really good results. These are going to be the products for you. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope I was informative enough for you. I will link everything down below as to where you can get it and how much it costs. And yeah, I see you guys in the next video.